Delhi is home to a spectacular array of birds. Mighty predatory birds such as eagles, kites, and hawks are a common sight. However, every week an unaccounted number of birds are injured due to various human activities. Most of these birds do not get the required help. But two brothers from the city are on a mission to change this. Siblings Nadeem Shehzad and Mohammed Saud run a wildlife rescue center in New Delhi. The organization, called Wildlife Rescue, treats more than 2,000 predatory birds in a year. Their center receives about 5 to 10 distress calls in a day. Most of the birds that they rescue are black kites. A black kite is a medium-sized dark brown predatory bird with a sharp curved beak. About 90% of the kites that they rescue are victims of manja. Manja is a glass powder-coated string that is used in kite flying. These strings often slash the wings of birds flying in the vicinity. While the use of manja was banned in Delhi in 2017, it is still freely sold in the city. In a span of 20 years, Wildlife Rescue has treated over 20,000 black kites. Most of the kites that come into their center are too late to be saved. Some of them have their bones, tendons, and muscles snapped and have to be euthanized. Of the ones that receive treatment, about 50% die from either gangrene or other infections. The ones that are rehabilitated are taken to the roof where they join several dozen others who are in various stages of recovery. The roof has 3 wire cages, with the largest cage having an open top so that the rehabilitated kites can fly back into the sky.